channel. I hope you've all had a great week. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video of mine today. This is like my third or fourth Halloween makeup look of 2021. I'm already losing track of time. I'm trying to do a new look every week, and I hope you guys like my Halloween looks. I absolutely love Halloween season and just doing like lots of creepy looks and special effects. It's what I'm most known for, it's what I love the most, it's what I'm most passionate about, and it's what most people want to see on my YouTube and my Instagram and my TikTok as well. You guys seem to love my creepy looks, and I love doing them. This one looks really hard to do, but it's actually not, especially if you are good at just looking at something and drawing what you see, and I take you along step by step on how to do this look in today's video. If you're still confused about what this is a devil turning into like a robot thing. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, then please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 8 AM New Zealand time. Let me know any Halloween recommendations down below in the comments. I'd love to hear them, and I will love to recreate some looks that you guys want me to do. Anyway, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So first I'm starting off with a black eyeliner. Take one that is really pigmented and goes like all in one stroke, like an eyeliner pen. So I'm just shaping out where I want my robot to go. I just quickly took out my nose ring. So I'm just doing half of this on my face. And then I take a really pigmented red eyeshadow. NYX eyeshadows are really good for this. And I'm just taking a big brush and blending this in, just really layering it up and making it super red on the side of my face where the robot isn't going to be. Then I'm just drawing this like oval shaped mouth on the other side. And then I'm just creating the line. So I am drawing the eye shape on the devil side, and then I'm drawing a big block eyebrow over my actual eyebrow. Then I'm taking this black eyeshadow. This is the Primal Colors one as well, like the red one was from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm just blending this all into my forehead and down my cheekbones and just really darkening up the red and adding some dimension. And then I also take that black eyeshadow and I'm filling in the eye socket and just shading along the line where the robot is going to be. This will just give it some more definition and make it look like it's popping out, like the devil side. Now I'm just drawing some cheekbones on the devil side. I just drew like a big curve and I'm shading that as well. And then I'm drawing some lines. This is like an angry looking devil, so I'm just adding in some angry lines and some wrinkle kind of things, and I literally just went crazy with this. I blended the black right up into my hairline as well because I'm going bloody bald, and you don't want to see any white in your hairline. It just makes it look more effective. I'm just shading in some more wrinkle lines and just making it really pop out and stand out. And then I'm taking the NYX Cosmetics Milk Jumbo eye pencil, and I'm using this to draw on the teeth. So I'm just drawing like pointy big teeth, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And then what I do next is take a white eyeshadow. This is called Whipped Cream from NYX Cosmetics. And I shade on top of those teeth, because if you don't do this, then it's just going to like smudge everywhere and you won't be able to blend eyeshadows on top of it easily. I also just draw in some square teeth along the top and the bottom of the mouth. If you want, you can make them like pointy teeth to make it a little bit scarier. And then what I do is I dot this all over my face and then I blend it in. So this jumbo eye pencil is really good. Instead of using paints, I've come to discover that using paints is really hard because it's hard to blend in and it's hard to, just shade things in with. I just really like using eyeshadows and liquid like crayons and pens and stuff way better than paints. It just is a personal preference. So I am just coloring my face white and then setting it with white eyeshadow. And then I'm going on with this little black eyeliner brush from Sigma. I love Sigma brushes. This is like my favorite eyeliner brush ever. I can't find any other brush that's quite like this. So I'm just drawing in the eye socket on the robot side. You don't want to make this too like circular. You want to make it kind of like angry looking. And then I just go along with the black eyeshadow and create shapes in the devil head. I kind of wanted it to look like robotic, just like the robot coming out underneath. So I did like a panel kind of looking thing on the forehead. And this look is definitely, trust the process, like I said in the beginning. In the start, I was like, oh my gosh, this actually looks so bad. But literally just keep on going with it. Shade in areas, just add in like lots of eyeliner, lots of white eyeliner, and it will slowly come together. So I'm just shading in lots of areas of the forehead, adding in lines, darkening up areas. And then I'm just going in with more fine line work. And then what I do is I make the white part of the robot grey. Now, if you don't have a grey eyeshadow, you can do what I did and mix a little bit of black eyeshadow with a lot of white eyeshadow and just blend it all on top, and then it will slowly turn grey. I do have like grey shadows, but they're also like purpley greys, and I really want it to be like quite cool toned. So now I'm using that black eyeliner from Milani, and I'm just drawing in cheekbones. I love this eyeliner. It is so pigmented, and when you have a good eyeliner, it makes such a difference. You can use black paint for this if you have a really fine brush, but I find that it just goes all liquidy and kind of like runs out, but working with an eyeliner, it's just like one pigmented line the whole way, which is what I love about it. So I'm just doing like lots of paneling, like I'm a robot, lots of lines, lots of dots, lots of circles, some cracks, and yeah. Now what I'm doing, I know this is out of focus, but I'm taking black eyeshadow. I'm just shading in underneath all those panels and on most of the lines. And then I'm taking the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil and the black side, and I'm just lining the waterline. And then I go around the teeth with this black eyeliner, and then I fill in the mouth with black after I do the teeth detailing. So I'm just taking some yellow. This is also from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just making the teeth a little yellow. You don't want the teeth to be fully white because then that will look fake. Like no one's teeth is fully white. So when you add a little yellow, it just adds some dimension. And then I added some black to shade along the corners and on the roots of the teeth. And after doing this, the teeth looked so much better. I kind of wish that I did like pointy teeth along the whole mouth because I think that would have looked more epic and like even scarier, but I still like the way I did the teeth like square. And then I take that black eyeshadow again, and then I fill in all of the mouth and just going right up to the teeth. And I just take the black eyeliner again, and I'm just lining over all my lines that I did because it kind of faded down when I blended black eyeshadow over it. I'm just darkening lines up in the robot side, and then this is where you make everything pop. So you want to take a white liquid liner or a really good pigmented white paint, but like I said, I find using eyeliners way easier because it's just one continuous line. This is just going to make it look more realistic. It's going to make the artwork pop. It's going to make it contrast more together. So I'm just drawing all around where the robot side is, and in the robot side, this is just going to make it really pop out. And when you look at a robot, it's kind of got lots of dimension. It's got dark greys, light greys, grey, blacks, whites. So that's why adding this white along all the paneling made it look more realistic and made it look so much more detailed. What are you guys going to be for Halloween? I'm so confused. I don't even know what I'm going to be yet. Like, I keep on thinking that I have to use a look from this year because it's like new and fresh, but I don't know. I can do a look from another year that I've done. What do you guys think I should be? Like, I don't want to be something pretty. You know how lots of people just wear like animal ears or devil horns or something, and then they put on like a sexy outfit. That is so not me. I like to be like creepy and gory, and I feel really awesome when I go all out for Halloween. So anyway, I'm taking these horns from Body Effects. They're just like little prosthetics, and I take some Prose glue, put that on the bottom of the horns, and then stick it on my forehead. and these just made the look really cool and really detailed. And what I do is take a little Q-tip and put the Pros-Aid all around just so it doesn't like peel off, but this sits on really well, and these prosthetics are quite light so they won't fall off. And yeah, it will last like all night. So I'm just using a Q-tip and sticking them right on. And then what I do is take some red paint. This is the Meron 8 color palette, and I take the red and I paint over them. So originally these horns are white, but I had painted them purple for a previous look, so I just painted them red. And then I take some Ben Nye Scare Blood. This is like my holy grail SFX product for anything really. It is so realistic looking, perfect for cuts, perfect for like gory looks. And I'm just putting this around the horns. This will kind of disguise the horn, like when it sits on your skin, it just kind of disguises it a little bit more. And then what you want to do is take some red eyeshadow and blend this all down your neck. Do about like 2 layers and make sure you can't see any of your skin. And then I take some black eyeshadow and blend it up from the chest upwards and kind of like draw some lines in my neck. And yeah, I'm glad I did this because it looked so weird just having the look on my face and having a white neck. And now I put in some contact lenses, and these are from Body Effects, and I think this completes the look. So that was the end of the makeup look. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it's not too hard for you to achieve. I know sometimes some of you might look at this look and be like, oh my gosh, like I'm not even going to attempt that. But if you go along slowly with the tutorial and give it lots of practice if you need to, then I'm sure you're going to get there. This is just a matter of shading and fine lines, and that's literally about it. Once you master that, it's pretty easy. And if you have these products that I have in the video today, it makes it even easier. Literally all you need is a red, black, yellow and white eyeshadow and like NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, or something like a creamy kind of pencil. Please tag me on Instagram if you do recreate any of my looks, including this one. I'd love to see them, and I'd love to reshare them on my stories. Every year I always reshare people's looks that they do that are inspired by me, which is really cool. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great week. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.